I was on a job on a cattle ranch when the owner walked up to me and asked me if I'd take a look at his messed up barbecue. I walked over, I took one look at it and knew they used the wrong board and didn't waterproof it at all. I told the owner that I could rescue his barbecue and make it better than before with the leftover tile from his 2 showers that I just tiled. It came apart fast and easy because Hardyback will fall apart if you don't waterproof it because it actually absorbs water and just starts falling apart. I saw all this rust on the steel frame. Most barbecues I deal with are made out of wood. I had the owner take out the barbecue pit and then I treated the steel with Rust-Oleum. First I sandpapered it and just brushed it on to stop it from rusting. I didn't shoot the painting process, but the point is simple. You treat the rust, you stop the rust. Now we're ready to build something that's going to last. I started rebuilding the structure using cement board designed for getting wet and not falling apart, but it's not waterproof. That's where the RedGard comes into play. I used it to completely seal the cement board. I'm coating the top and side surface wide because this is an outdoor installation. Water will find a way through or past your tile, grout, and board. If you don't have a waterproof membrane, that moisture sinks into your board and rots your frame. RedGard keeps water from getting back underneath and destroying your work again. Ignoring water protection is exactly how projects fail. Don't skip. I bonded the cement board in place with PL3 adhesive from Ladcrete. It's a professional grade you can get at Home Depot. I'm going right along the edges. This stuff holds. No wiggle, no movement, no coming free. And what I'm showing you here right now, when you're taping the joints, you don't want this fiberglass tape to move around. Just use a regular old staple gun. It works awesome. With the straight edge in place, the tile started going in and the whole barbecue started coming back to life. I'm using Spin Doctor. That's your tile leveling system, and you can see that right there. I use those to prevent lippage. Everything gets flat, everything's spaced. It's a beautiful sight. This outdoor barbecue went from falling apart, unwaterproof, rotting from the inside out to fully rebuilt, completely waterproof and ready to be used again. From water destruction to clean professional outdoor tile installation. That's what I do, 40 years in the trade. Hit subscribe if you want more. You can get my book, Grout Like a Pro, with the link before. It'll help you out immensely.